Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions without sweating the small stuff. Today, we have an epic drone showdown. In the left corner, we've got the Holy Stone HS720E, and in the right corner, the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone. Let's see which one of these flying gizmos is worth your hard-earned cash. First up, the price. Holy Stone HS720E will set you back a cool $399. Perfect for when you want to feel like you're buying a small island in the Caribbean. On the other hand, the Bwine F7 is a more wallet-friendly $258. With the money you save, you can buy yourself a tiny drone-sized umbrella. You know, for those rainy days? Now, let's talk cameras. The Holy Stone HS720E boasts a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a Sony sensor. It's like having a tiny Spielberg in the sky. Meanwhile, the Bwine F7 also has a 4K UHD camera with 2.7K real-time image transmission. So it's more like having a Spielberg who occasionally takes a coffee break. Reviewers love the hydrogen sulfide ease, stability, and impressive video quality, while the Bwine F7 is praised for its decent performance at a lower price point. Both are impressive, but the Holy Stone's EIS gives it a slight edge in making your footage smoother than butter on a hot pancake. Flight time is crucial. The Holy Stone HS720E offers 46 minutes with 2 batteries. That's almost enough time to figure out how to land it without crashing into your neighbor's cat. The Bwine F7, however, gives you a whopping 60 minutes with 2 batteries. Enough time to reenact an entire episode of your favorite TV show in the sky. Reviewers appreciate the decent battery life of the Bwine F7, although some mention it struggles in high wind conditions. Bwine takes the cake on this one, folks. User-friendly features are where things get spicy. The Holy Stone HS720E has Follow Me, Fly, and Point of Interest modes. It's like having your own personal drone butler. The Bwine F7, not wanting to be left out, offers GPS and optical flow mode, waypoint flying, and orbit mode. It's like having a drone that's also a part-time tour guide. Reviewers highlight the Holy Stone hydrogen sulfide ease, easy flying, and useful functions, while the Bwine F7's beginner mode and tutorial videos are praised for making it accessible to newbies. Both drones are super easy to use, but the Bwine F7's beginner mode and tutorial videos give it an extra gold star. Because, let's face it, we all need a little hand-holding sometimes. Build and portability time. The Holy Stone HS720E is robust and comes with a carrying bag. Perfect for those who like their drones to feel like a mini tank. The Bwine F7, on the other hand, is as light as a hamburger and folds up neatly. You could carry it in your pocket and still have room for fries. Reviewers also appreciate the Bwine F7's easy setup and portability. Bwine wins the portability round by a landslide. Reviewers generally praise the Holy Stone HS720E for its stability, camera quality, and advanced features, although some had issues with returns and replacements. The Bwine F7 is appreciated for its affordability, decent performance, and beginner-friendly features, but some point out its limitations in range and camera stability. So who's the winner? It's a tough call. The Holy Stone HS720E impresses with its camera and stability, perfect for those who want professional quality footage. The Bwine F7 is the more budget-friendly and beginner-friendly choice, with longer flight time and portability. Ultimately, the best drone for you depends on your specific needs and, of course, how much you want to flex your drone skills. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a smart buying guide from us. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.